Hello, my friend. Welcome. Today, you are about to discover a story that may change the way you learn English forever. Many people believe that learning English alone is slow, difficult, and lonely. But what if the opposite is true? What if learning alone can be the fastest path to confidence, freedom, and fluency? Imagine understanding movies, speaking without fear, and expressing your thoughts clearly, all by yourself. This story is about a simple journey, a journey that begins with confusion and ends with confidence. Stay with this story, because the secret you are about to discover is powerful, practical, and surprisingly simple. The journey begins in a quiet room where a learner sits with a phone, a notebook, and a small dream. The dream is simple: to speak English confidently. At first, everything feels difficult. Words look strange, pronunciation feels uncomfortable, and sentences break in the middle. Many lessons start with excitement but end with frustration. The learner wonders if fluency is only for talented people. Days pass, and a common belief appears: learning alone is slow. Without a teacher, mistakes feel bigger. Without friends, practice feels impossible. Videos are watched, notes are written, but speaking still feels heavy. Confidence stays far away. The learner begins to think that maybe English is not meant for them. But one small change happens. Instead of trying to learn everything, the learner chooses to learn just a little every day. Only 10 minutes, simple sentences, easy listening, speaking slowly without pressure. This small decision changes the direction of the journey. Learning stops feeling heavy and starts feeling possible. The learner discovers something surprising. Repetition creates comfort. Listening to the same sentences again and again makes words familiar. Speaking alone stops feeling strange. The room becomes a safe place to practice. Mistakes are no longer embarrassing. They become normal steps. Another shift appears. Instead of memorizing grammar rules first, the learner focuses on understanding meaning. Short stories, simple videos, and daily phrases become the main tools. English stops being a subject and starts becoming a language. The learner begins to notice English everywhere, in apps, songs, and everyday life. Confidence grows quietly. At first, the learner whispers sentences, then sentences become clearer. Pronunciation improves naturally. Speaking alone turns into thinking in English. The learner realizes something powerful. Fluency does not come from perfect grammar. It comes from daily exposure. There are difficult days too. Some days feel slow. Some days feel confusing. Motivation disappears without warning. The learner compares progress with others and feels behind. This is the moment when many journeys stop. But this time, the learner continues, not with motivation, but with habit. Habit becomes the secret. 10 minutes every day becomes 20. Listening while walking becomes normal. Repeating sentences becomes automatic. English slowly enters daily life without effort. Learning alone no longer feels lonely. It feels independent. A new discovery appears. Speaking does not require an audience at the beginning. Speaking requires courage and repetition. The learner starts describing daily actions in English. Simple thoughts become simple sentences. Small conversations happen, even without another person. Fear begins to disappear. The learner understands that mistakes are invisible when learning alone. There is no judgment, no pressure, no interruption. This freedom creates speed. Practice increases naturally because fear decreases. Another important change happens. The learner stops waiting to feel ready. Instead, the learner starts speaking while still feeling unready. This decision changes everything. Confidence does not come before speaking. Confidence comes from speaking. Listening becomes the strongest teacher. The learner listens to slow English repeatedly. Sounds become patterns. Patterns become understanding. Understanding becomes natural responses. One day, the learner realizes that translation is no longer necessary. The journey continues with curiosity. Instead of studying English, the learner uses English to explore interesting topics. Motivation becomes natural because learning connects with curiosity. English stops being a task and becomes a tool. Time passes quietly. Weeks turn into months. Progress feels invisible day by day, but visible month by month. Sentences become longer. Understanding becomes faster. Fear becomes smaller. The learner begins to trust the process. One powerful realization appears. Learning alone builds self-trust. Every small improvement proves something important. Progress is possible without permission, without perfect conditions, without waiting. This realization creates confidence beyond language. There are still mistakes. Pronunciation is not perfect. Grammar sometimes breaks. But something important has changed. Mistakes no longer stop progress. The learner speaks anyway, and that changes everything. The learner creates a personal system, listening daily, speaking daily, reading simple content, writing short thoughts. Nothing complicated, just consistency. This simple system becomes more powerful than complicated methods. Energy replaces frustration. The learner notices that English practice now feels normal, like checking messages or listening to music. Learning alone becomes part of life, not a separate activity. This is when real acceleration begins. Another discovery appears. Progress grows faster when pressure disappears. When learning becomes relaxed, memory improves, understanding improves, speaking improves. The learner realizes that fluency grows in calm environments. There are moments of surprise. A sentence appears naturally. A video becomes understandable. A thought forms directly in English. These small moments create excitement. Excitement creates more practice. Practice creates more fluency. The learner also learns patience. Fast learning does not mean instant learning. It means consistent learning. The learner stops chasing quick results and starts trusting daily effort. This mindset removes frustration. Confidence begins to show outside the room. Simple comments are written online. Short voice messages are recorded. Small interactions happen. Each small step proves that speaking is possible. Fear continues to shrink. The learner understands another truth. Learning alone builds independence. Instead of waiting for lessons, the learner creates opportunities. Instead of waiting for correction, the learner notices patterns. Instead of waiting for confidence, the learner builds it. Fluency starts feeling closer. Not perfect fluency, but functional fluency. The ability to express ideas, understand messages, and continue conversations even with mistakes. This level feels powerful because it brings freedom. The learner realizes that the biggest barrier was never vocabulary or grammar. The biggest barrier was hesitation. Once hesitation becomes smaller, progress becomes faster. Speaking becomes natural practice instead of a difficult task. Days continue. Practice continues. The learner no longer asks, "Can I become fluent?" The question changes to, "What should I learn today?" This shift removes doubt and focuses attention on action. Another quiet change appears. English becomes part of thinking. Planning happens in English. Observations happen in English. Small internal conversations happen in English. This is the moment when language becomes real. The learner notices that learning alone created something deeper than fluency: self-confidence. The ability to start without help, continue without validation, and improve without perfection becomes a life skill, not just a language skill. Fluency arrives slowly, almost unnoticed. Conversations feel possible. Understanding feels natural. Speaking feels less stressful. The learner remembers the beginning, confusion, hesitation, doubt, and sees the distance traveled. The journey proves a simple idea. Learning alone is not a weakness. It is an advantage. It allows freedom, repetition, personalization, and fearless practice. It creates an environment where progress can happen every day. The learner continues learning because fluency is not an end. It is a process. New words appear. Better expressions appear. Communication becomes clearer. Growth continues naturally. And finally, the most important realization appears. The speed of learning English alone does not come from talent. It comes from consistency, curiosity, repetition, and courage to speak before feeling ready. These simple elements create powerful results. So the quiet room where the journey began is no longer a place of struggle. It is a place of transformation, a place where confusion turned into clarity, where hesitation turned into confidence, where learning alone became learning fast. And the journey continues, because every day of practice is another step from beginner to fluent, from silent to confident, from doubt to expression. The secret was never hidden. It was always simple. Start small, continue daily, speak anyway, and trust the process.